Oh my god, that's really big. Okay, let me put
this hair.
Okay, I can start now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. Today's video, I have a special guest. This is my 4-year-old niece, Allison.
Hi.
So for today's video, I'm going to have Allison here do my makeup. She is as obsessed with makeup as I am. I'd like to say she got that from me. And she always wants to go through my makeup. She comes to my house, goes through my vanity all the time. She always wants to put makeup on herself. Like, I think every night before bed, she puts on makeup to go to sleep. That's just how she is. So she's been dying to do my makeup on camera. She actually watches my videos all the time. She'll like tell me, Tia, look, I see you here. She's obsessed with YouTube. So I had the idea to bring her on my channel and have her do my makeup so you guys could see how fabulously skilled my niece is. Let's get started. Ali, what do you want to do to my face? Okay, so what do you start off first? Like, what do you want to do first?
Primer.
Okay, so you're gonna put primer on? Or you're gonna put it on the sponge? Okay. It feels very nice.
It's all done.
It's all done? Okay, what's next?
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow? Oh, you want to go to eyeshadow next? You're that kind of girl? Eyeshadow before foundation? Okay, let's do it. Which one are you going to use?
This one. I'm gonna do this color.
You're going to use that color? Good job.
It's all done.
It's all done? Okay, you're going to do the other eye?
All done.
All done? Okay, what other color? Take a peachy color?
I think I'm gonna use this one. Concealer.
How you going to do it?
I'm blending concealer.
Oh, okay. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, what's next?
I'm gonna use foundation. I'm blending.
Good job.
I'm gonna do eyebrows. I'm brushing the eyebrows.
Good job. You're gonna do eyeliner, okay. So what'd you do first? You did like a liner?
And then I'm gonna do blush.
Okay. Yeah, blush is very pigmented, okay.
I'm gonna use this blush.
Pretty.
I'm gonna use the brown one. I'm gonna put a little bit of frozen.
Good job.
I'm gonna do highlight now. I'm gonna put iron sheets. I'm gonna do a little more eyeshadow.
Okay.
I'm blending it on the lip. I'm gonna do teal glitter.
But on my eyes or on my cheeks? My eyes? Okay. You want to blend a little bit?
I'm gonna blend the shadow.
Okay.
I'm gonna do mascara.
Okay. Good job.
I have 3 colors. I have pink, I have orange, pink.
Okay, which one do you want to choose?
I'm gonna choose hot pink.
Okay. You think it's gonna go with my shirt? Yeah? It's gonna look good? Okay.
The last we do says face.
Set the face? That's it?
It's all done. That's the final I look.
Okay, this is the final look. Does Tia look beautiful? You tried to give Tia Kylie Jenner lips, but you did a good job.
I like makeup so much.
Yeah?
It's my turn.
Your turn. You want to put some lipstick on to match Tia?
First I'm gonna do the face.
Oh, first you want me to do your face? Okay. So we're going to do a quick little makeup look on Ali just because she wants to look cute for the end of the video. All done.
All done.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial with Allison doing my makeup. I know she had a lot of fun. Did you have fun, Ali?
Yes, I have fun.
Yeah? Do you love doing Tia's makeup? Well, I think she did a pretty good job for a 4-year-old. This is just a cute little video that I wanted to do to have Allison on my channel because I know how much she loves makeup and she loves playing with Tia's makeup. So that's why we did this little video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. And we will see you in the next one.
Subscribe.
You heard it. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye.